Do you want to bring back your archived Instagram stories, but you don't know how? I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, so just follow my steps. I'm going to open the Instagram app on my iPhone. I'm in the Instagram app and I'll navigate over to my Instagram profile. From here, we'll have to access the settings section. So tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and that will open the Instagram settings page. Locate this archive button, which should be right under the saved section. And this will open the Instagram archive, where you'll be able to see all of your old Instagram stories, which you had uploaded in the past. If you want to reshare it with your friends and followers, you can simply tap on this share button right here, and then you'll be able to edit the story and share that memory. Or if you simply want to download that story in your photo gallery without sharing it with other people, just tap on the 3 dots which are located in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then select this option called Save Photo. That's about it, everyone. That is how to get back archived Instagram stories. Thanks for watching.